Everyone. In states of matter, only few points remain to complete that topic. Today's our point is that van der Waals equation. What is that van der Waals equation? That I will explain you. That van der Waals equation is P plus an square by v square into v minus nb is equal to nRT. This is the van der Waals equation for the n number of moles. How these terms are there, that also we have to discuss because understanding is very important. So listen carefully. As we know that at high pressure, or we can say that real gases shows the deviation from the ideal gas law. Why? Because molecules interact with each other, and that's why real gases shows the deviation from the ideal gas law. As at high pressure, if we consider high pressure, at high pressure molecules are very close to each other, means they are maximum in contact with each other. So as we know that gas molecules, what they are doing, they collides with each other, as well as they collides on the wall of the container also. But here these molecules are not away from each other, distance between them is very less, means they are close to each other. That's why what will happen when any molecule is moving to collide on that wall with the full impact, at that time other molecules which are close to each other, these molecules will drag that molecule back, and that's why that pressure exerted by the gas, that will be lower than the pressure exerted by the ideal gas. Hope so everyone understood that concept, why we have taken that pressure of the gas is lower than the pressure of the ideal gas at high pressure. So what will be the equation? That equation will be pressure of ideal gas is equal to pressure which is calculated plus an square divided by v square. That is the pressure term. Now what about the volume? In case of volume, if we consider at high pressure, previously that volume was in the container, that volume for the gas molecules was the V. But because of their closeness, that volume becomes restricted, and that restricted volume will be V minus NB. So in this way we have considered this volume, and as we know that our ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT. Instead of that P, instead of that V, just we have taken this pressure value for P and this volume for the V, and this is the van der Waals equation. Important means not important, it is very important, because next point whatever we are going to discuss regarding that van der Waals equation, based on that concept there was the question asked in the NEET IIT exam also. So this is very important to understand. So which is that important point? See here, we have to consider that van der Waals, or what will be the van der Waals equation at lower pressure or at high pressure. That will be the objective point of view question. So now we are going to discuss that van der Waals equation at low pressure. So if we consider that van der Waals equation, what is that equation? That equation is P plus an square divided by v square into V minus NB is equal to nRT. This is for the n number of moles. Now if we consider, we want to write the equation, that van der Waals equation for the 1 mole of the gas, then what will be here? P plus A upon V square. That equation will be P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. That is for the 1 mole of the equation. Now if we consider at lower pressure, what is the condition? At lower pressure volume decreases. So in this way, if we consider that term A divided by V square, what will happen? If that value is smaller and smaller, then this value will be increased. So we are writing here, at low pressure volume decreases, so A by V square increases. This is about this bracket. What about this one? Volume decreases, but it is not that much small that we can neglect. But this term is neglected. So as we got the information from previous one, what is that? A by V square increases. B is neglected at low pressure. So P plus A by V square into P neglected means only V will remain is equal to RT. Now what we are going to do here? P V that we are multiplying to that bracket. So that will be PV is equal PV plus AV divided by V square. Here VV will get cancelled is equal to RT. So that equation will be PV plus A by V is equal to RT. What is the next step? Next step is that just we are shifting this A by V to the right hand side. So that equation will become like that. PV is equal to RT. Here it is plus A by V. So when we are shifting to that side, it will become minus A by V. Now divide both sides by RT. So what will here? PV divided by RT is equal to RT divided by RT minus A by VRT. Clear to everyone? So RT means here PV divided by RT is equal to 1 minus A divided by VRT, or I am writing here RTV. As we know that PV divided by RT, it is the Z, that is the compressibility factor. So that equation will become Z is equal to 1 minus A divided by RTV. Hope so everyone understood that what is the van der Waals equation at low pressure. So here that Z is from the PV by RT is equal to Z. Now we will discuss what will be the equation at high pressure. So as we know that our previous equation, that is the van der Waals equation, which is for the 1 mole. If we consider at high pressure that van der Waals equation, how it will be? For that one, if we consider that pressure which is higher one, at that time volume will be very small. What is that? Volume will be very small. So for that one, A divided by V square is neglected because pressure is high. If pressure is that much high, then we can neglect, or that value A by V square is neglected. Means here no need to write that A by V square term. Now see here. P that will remain only because that A by V square is neglected into V minus B is equal to RT. Similarly, previously what we did, there we have multiplied with the volume. Here we are multiplying with the pressure. So equation will be PV minus PB is equal to RT. Now simply we are shifting that PB to the right hand side. So that equation will be PV is equal to RT plus PB. Similarly, like previous, I am every time saying that previous because by comparison only it is easy to start study or to avoid the confusion. So divide both sides by RT. So that equation will be PV divided by RT is equal to RT divided by RT plus PB divided by RT. So here RT means it will be 1, and here PV by RT is nothing but the Z. 1 plus PB divided by RT. So hope so everyone understood that if question is that what will be the equation, what will be the van der Waals equation at higher pressure, then we have to select this option and that will be correct. What is that equation? That is Z is equal to 1 plus PB by RT. So in this way we have completed our 1 point which is from the states of matter. So those students don't know that here you are getting the whole topic with the notes also, because notes means each and every point I am writing on the board, so you can complete the notes also. Thank you all of you.